What's up, you guys? So I'm just getting ready to make a simple ground beef enchilada casserole. I just was in the mood for it. The weather's getting nice and cold, so I was just in the mood for something homemade, something comfortable, like a comfort food. So I'm just gonna have that and a simple salad. So let me get started and I'll be back. What's up, fam? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is doing great. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. And also remember to smash that notification bell so whenever I do release new videos, you'll be the first to be notified, all right? So today, I just felt like a homemade meal. So I ended up making enchilada casserole, as you could tell in the beginning of the video, and I just have a simple salad, mixed salad here. You know, it's that time of the year. It's getting cold. It's getting windy and it's rainy, so you just want that. So you just want that good old homemade meal. So that's what I'm having today with you guys. Hope you guys, like I said, are doing good. I got to dig in. Look, y'all. Yes, sir. Oh, fresh out the oven, y'all. Bomb. And I got some sour cream for it. So what are you guys up to? Are you guys doing good? It's a good day today. It's a good day today. A really good day. It's like I perfected, not to toot my own horn or anything, but it's like I perfected my enchilada casserole. I don't know. It just keeps getting better. And like I said, I'm not trying to, toot my own horn here, but every time I freaking make it, man, shit's bomb. Nothing. So yeah, today's a really good day. Today was actually the first day it started raining here. So when you wake up to the sound of rain, it's like, oh. So I go outside and there's that good old fresh rain smell. And I just got me a Coke Zero. If you haven't tried this, go get you one. If you're like a soda freak like I am, but trying to watch it, this does it. Good old bubbly. Oh yeah. Just barely got out the. I almost froze it again. But just got out of the freezer. So it's like nice and cold. So happy November. I didn't properly greet in the month, but happy November, y'all. We're almost at the end game for 2020. We're almost done, y'all. Oh no. I don't know about you, but I'm about ready to ring in a new year. 2020 was a WAP. Was a straight up, and I'm not talking about that WAP, but like a WAP, like Womp womp. Can you guys see the steam? Can you guys see the freaking steam out this bad boy? Ooh, Lord. I mean, I just got it right out the oven right now. So you guys are going to probably start getting more homemade videos. I hope you don't mind that. A lot more home cooking. You know, stews, casseroles. Let me know in the comments what you usually is like your go-to meal during the fall. You know, I know mine's pozole, tamales. I love, and I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love meatloaf. So I may make that soon. Don't know yet. I love soups. You know, good old broccoli cheddar soups. Bomb. So the salad dressing I'm using, I think I've showed it to you before. I bought another one. It's raspberry walnut dressing. I believe it's the Paul Newman. It's the Paul Newman walnut raspberry light dressing. Really good. Really, really excellent. Yeah. So I just realized that I finished my freaking Christmas shopping. I usually make a list of people I'm going to buy for and write, you know, what I bought them. And I just realized when I was going through my list, because it's, you know, it's going to come by fast, that I got everybody that I'm going to buy for. It's like, what? So I seriously, I finished my Christmas shopping last month, and I started. This has to be the earliest I started Christmas shop. I started in July. Little by little, I started finding things on Amazon, or when I went to the store, I got, you know, little things here and there for my family. But I'm finished. I'm done. Just gotta sit back and just let the holidays come, and let's start a new year. I couldn't believe that. Who starts their Christmas shopping early, like in the summertime type early? Like, usually I start my Christmas shopping after Thanksgiving. But I was like, no. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to the stores for all that craziness. I highly recommend it. If you're going to do your Christmas shopping, do it online. Hope you guys can see the food. I feel like it's really far away. Yeah, highly recommend if you can do it online, like on Amazon, or, you know, A lot of these stores like Target and Walmart, they actually have online shopping and they'll deliver your stuff. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. So you don't have to get caught up in the stores. It's too risky right now. Yeah, it's really too risky right now to go out to the stores. Oh, and for all my cucumber lovers out there who like cucumbers, just a recommendation. You don't have to get them, but I always found regular cucumbers to be strong. I like them, but I always found them to be really strong for some reason. But I come to a discovery that English cucumbers are really light, and to me they're a lot more crispier. They have a lot more crisp to them. If you put a lot of salad dressing, kind of like you see here, that the cucumber doesn't get mushy. You know what I mean? And you want to put cucumber in your salad, try English cucumbers and let me know if you like them. Just a recommendation. Don't have to do it, but I like them. I'm telling you, if you put sour cream in your enchiladas, it sets it off. I mean, it sets it off to like another degree. Bomb. You know, I just realized that I don't really put my food up to the camera and show you like most mukbangers. You know how they put their food straight up on the camera. I feel it kind of weird to do that, so I don't always try. I try not to do it all the time. Do you guys like when a mukbanger does that, or do you mind not me always up in your face with my food? To me, sometimes it's awkward. It's awkward. It's like I don't always want to put my food up to you guys like that. It's weird. Let me know in the comments. And you guys can see the food. Yeah, I'm about to smash this last part. And I'm telling you, to me, next to Chinese food, leftover enchiladas, so damn fire. Bombs. I was not playing today. This is legit the only thing I've eaten so far. And I know a lot of you are going to probably say, where's the beans? Where's the rice? Mexican food, it's not the healthiest food out there. Okay? It's not that healthy for you. It's very heavy food. A lot of lard is used in Mexican food a lot. This is bombs. Yes, it's incredible food, but it's not healthy. Oh, that Coke Zero came through. Ooh. Yeah, so I have a lot of ideas of videos I want to do for you guys. You know, a lot more like holiday based videos, you know. So let me know if there's maybe something that has come out like at Starbucks or at a Wendy's. Let me know, because I want to keep up. So let me know if there's something that you want me to try. Excuse me, guys. I gotta let it out. Ooh, excuse me. My bad. I just want to be, you know, caught up in what's out there, new stuff, new foods. Because I'm gonna try to switch it between homemade foods and, you know, trying different food places. Let me know. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys ate something spectacular with me, something just as yummy and delicious and just flavorful. But yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to thumbs it up, comment down below, smash that subscribe button if you're watching and not part of the fam. You're all welcomed. Okay, we don't discriminate over here. All is welcome. Okay, to the family. And yeah, share this video everywhere. Share it on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. And also remember to follow me on my social media. You can follow me on Instagram at I'm Eddie Anthony. Okay? And you can follow me on my TikTok. Yes, I do be TikToking it. And it's Eddie Anthony. It's going to be all in the description box below. All right, fam. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next video. Peace. Just one other thing I just want to leave out on this note real quick. Completely off topic. To all my sisters out there, if you're paying attention to the news and you know what's just taking place here in our great country of ours, know that the sky is the limit. Don't ever let a man tell you that you can't do great things, that you can't accomplish great things, because you're the backbone in this country. A lot of strong women are the backbone of many, many American families. I know my mom was. So, without getting political, I just want to put a general message out there that I salute you, women. I thank you. And you should be proud of our country right now. All right? God bless. I love y'all. See you next video. Wear a mask. Peace.